In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with a website in only a couple hours without pretty much doing any design work. Designing and building a website is hard, and we all know that it can lead to more business. If you don't have a website, you might lose out on credibility and new opportunities. While I was learning web design at a startup based in Ohio, I was often the person that would be responsible for making a new website when we had some new idea we wanted to test out or lend credibility to. The only problem was that I had really no design experience. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact method I used when I was told that I had 3 hours to make a website that would lend credibility and help us with lead capture. Now, this method will give you a website that looks professional, but it might not give you a website that exactly matches your needs. But maybe you'll get lucky and they are. Either way, the process I'm about to show you will get you pretty close, or it'll tide you over until you get a custom design. Now, as I mentioned before, if you're new here, my name's Nathan, and on this channel, we explore how to work productively and how to use the most up-to-date web design softwares. So let's get started building our site. For this tutorial, we're going to build a page on this website, the Greenlight Improv website, built on the Divi theme. This is definitely one area where Divi outshines Elementor. Divi's templates are far superior and far more vast than Elementor. Sometimes they are a little bit difficult to edit, but they still work pretty well. And we're going to go over that, and I'll show you how to edit those right now. First, make sure that you've already installed the Divi theme and you have the Divi builder. Now I'm going to go into the back end of this site and let's add a new page. Now I'm going to say this is called Donut Shop, and now let's use the Divi builder. We're brought with these 3 options. We can build just from scratch, but we don't want to. We want to get started right off the bat. We can also clone an existing page, but we also don't want to do that because we don't have an existing page to clone. So let's choose a pre-made layout. We have all of these layouts and they are honestly phenomenal and incredible design. I want to use the Donut Shop because ever since I've seen this template, it has just been so intriguing to me. So let's use this homepage. I'll click use this layout and then it will upload. And look at that, now we are a donut shop. So if you're just getting started with Divi, then you won't have this header and you also won't have this footer. So you won't actually have to worry about that. So for the purpose of this demonstration, just totally ignore that. Now, these can be built in sort of interesting and confusing ways. It's generally best not to get too far into the how it was built, but just know that you can edit all the things that you need to. So right here, if we click on an element, we can see what it is. Click on this settings, and we see this is an image. If you want to change this star to maybe a 4-star donut shop, then you'll have to edit this image, but it's quite easy to just sort of cut that out. Now we want this to say donuts. It is the best donut shop in town, of course, but this isn't very clear. So if we click on this, we'll click the gear icon again. And then right here, let's put this right on the side. We see this text. Now let's say Nathan's Donut Shop. And then I want Donut Shop to be bold. So I just bolded that right here. And then I can just delete this text. Then I'll hit this green button to save the change. If I want to change this button, which you certainly will, you'll click this gear icon. This is what the title is. So it says About Us right there. And then we can see I just added Nathan to it. Let's say we want this link to go to About Us. So we can just put that right in there. Right when we're done, click the green button. As we scroll down, very similar kinds of things. We can edit any of these buttons. We just click this gear icon again. We can edit this and just say it's super savory. Then if we go to image, we can see this is the image that was chosen. If you have a better picture of your donut, then you can put that in there. But this is really just a general tutorial on how to use this Divi theme. Right here, if I want to change this image, I can click on the image, go up here to this gear icon, and we can see the image is right there. Now this template is very well built, very easy to make changes. Some earlier templates are not as easy to make, but as the templates go down, as you scroll down that page, it gets vastly easier to edit these templates. So this is pretty self-explanatory. I will say this form, we click on it, then click on the gear icon. You can see these are the fields that we're asking for. And then the thing that you're almost certainly going to want to change is this email. So we want this email to go to a certain email. Maybe it's nathan@awesome.com. But you're going to want to set this email so that you actually get the emails that your users try to send you. We scroll down more. This is really that easy to make. The hard part about this is that you have to put in your content, but actually using the template is quite easy. The reason it has taken me hours in the past is because I have to actually write the content, not because this is actually a difficult process. Right at the end, all you have to do is hit publish and you will be all set. If you want, you can look at tablet and mobile. These are generally designed pretty well. So this is our tablet version right here, and then we can see our mobile version as well. If you liked this video and want to learn more about how you can use Divi templates, click the link in the description. That will bring you right to the Divi website. Hit that like and subscribe button too. And then you're gonna need to know how to use WordPress. So click on this video right here to learn more about that. Thanks for watching.